Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on iiF150 R2 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and click allow. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click consent. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.